Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. So today I had this video, this product, new product, 30x Winter 2021 candles. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 15, 30 candles. Yeah, candles. So this is the description. Oh no. Okay. Fur with hints of eucalyptus. Product details. Aluminium, carbon wax, carbon wax. Okay. Measurement 30 pieces, 38 packaging. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. So if you're interested, then I will leave the link below the video so you can buy it. Okay, so let's look in front. One and behind. Okay. Let's try one. Aluminium. Really easy to bend. Smells nice. So if you put it on like that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.